Welcome back. I, I I don't know what that intro was, but yeah, hi. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try and get back on schedule with like daily uploading. Birds, shut up. Birds. Sorry, my birds are being annoying. Yeah. So, I'm playing easy obby because it's easy and it's an obby. Oh god. It kind of sucks when you're on mobile. Oh, sorry, I had to fix my hair real quick. My long, luscious hair. Ah! So I died. I have played this before, so I already know the answers. Yeah, but it's gonna. Yep. Thank you. Whoops. No, I don't want a friend. And a beer. Annabelle. Whatever. I died again. Oop. Swoop. Yep. Take that, Carly cookie. 314. Yeah, take that. Oh god, she's right behind me. That what? It was literally just a rainbow path. Whatever. Even now I have to walk the straight path. Wee. Wee. Oh. Wee. 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 Also, Loth is not here. I just woke up and decided, yeah, I'm gonna post a video. So sorry if I sound like weird. I'm tired. It is currently 10 a.m. and I just got a notification saying that my HBO Max subscription has been canceled. Yay! So it's gonna be canceled on December 1st. Yeah. Dude, I pressed the space bar. Not the space bar. I pressed the jump button. I pressed it. I am Preston Plays. I'm not. And I just banged my head against red. It reminds me of this one time where my mom used to babysit these kids, Brooklyn and Connor, and one time I was like maybe 8 or 9, and we were like running around, and I bashed my head on a counter. It sucked and it hurt a lot. So yeah, I know a trick to this. Yep, purple, green, what? Purple, green, black. Oh, just goes back. Is Curly Cookie still following me? Where is Curly Cookie? Imagine she's like ahead of me. No, but that's alright. Oopsies, I think we're gonna play a different game. Birds. Sorry, hold on. Let me find a game really quick. Alright, today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Yeah, sorry. I'm just not really good at obbies, so... And plus, I really love this game. It's not my favorite, but it's definitely one of my top 10s. Oh, jeez. Is this the space? It's not the space one. Where the site? Oh, you have it. No, I don't. It's not. Yeah. Don't have enough. Yay, I did it. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video there. Sorry, I kind of forgot I was recording. Sorry if the video was like kind of boring. Yeah. Alright, bye. Oh, wait.